Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a heart tree with petals. This whimsical and romantic drawing is perfect for anyone looking to create a unique piece of art. So grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. First, let's draw the heart. Start by sketching a large heart shape in the center of your paper. This will be the two part of our tree. Make sure the lines are light and gentle so we can refine them later. Next, draw the trunk of the tree from the bottom point of the heart. Draw two curved lines downward to form the trunk. These lines should taper slightly as they go down, giving the trunk a natural look. I draw it at end. Now let's add some branches from the sides of the heart. Sketch several curved lines extending outward. These branches can be varying lengths and should have a natural flowing appearance. With the structure of our tree in place, it's time to add the petals. Draw small petals all around the branches and within the shape. Vary the sizes and angles to give a more organic feel. The petals should look like they are gently falling from the tree. Next, add some details to the trunk and branches. Draw small lines and curves to represent the texture of the bark. These details will make your tree look more realistic and intricate. Now let's refine the lines and add some depth. Go over the main lines with the darker pencil or pen to define the heart, trunk and branches, then erase any unnecessary guideline. Finally, add some shading to give your heart three dimension. Lightly shade one side of the trunk and branches and add some shadow under the petals. This will make your drawing look more three-dimensional and lively. And there you have it, a beautiful heart tree with petals. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more drawing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.